Hi, my name's Erin. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in to my first YouTube video. I'm very excited about building this channel so that I can share all of my knowledge and my love of Eminence here with you guys and people all across Canada, or even the world for that matter. There's so many things that I can teach you, little tips and tricks, some really great mixologies, so that you're really maximizing your skincare regime. So what we're going to do today is take a little tour through my website, which is pembertondayspa.com. And I'm going to talk about booking services, the team that we have there in the day spa, shopping Eminence online. I want to share all the great promotions that we have and dates that you're going to want to put on your calendar. Also, I'm rolling out a new loyalty program as a thank you to all of our local and longtime shoppers. So I'm very excited about that. And yeah, so I'm just going to carry on here with a little tour. I'm going to show you my screen. So let's just jump back to the home page here. So Facebook, Instagram, obviously we're very well connected that way, but if it's just a website that you like to look at and you're not into the social media, that's okay. We have a great subscribe button that will pop up on here, so you can give us your email and you can basically get our newsletters, or when there's something really key or really important, we will send out an email, like some upcoming events that will be happening. So I hope everybody enjoyed the Halloween event that took place at the day spa. The girls had some fabulous costumes, and I wish I could have been there to see all the little trick-or-treaters, but I hope everyone enjoyed their little goodie bags, and that mom and dad got some great little gift baskets or little gift bags as well. I heard there was a mask or two in there, so hopefully everybody's sporting their new Eminence masks around town. So just to carry on online here, this is our book services page. So of course, this is where you can book for your RMT massage, lashes, have a facial with Georgia, and hair removal services. We've just incorporated sugaring as a hair removal service, but of course we still have our strip wax and our hard wax as well. So that is very exciting. We also have some brow lamination happening at the spa too. So we're just always going to try and bring in more for you. This is our skincare consultation. So if you're not quite ready to have a facial and you just really want to talk about a good home care skincare program, don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to connect with you online by Zoom or Skype or FaceTime and just talk about your skincare needs. So you can do that as well. So this is our Shop Eminence page. This is where you're going to find the new products. You can shop here by collection. You could also use this search button up top here. So if you're just looking for your Stonecrop gel wash, just type in what you're looking for and it will pop up there for you. Some people who maybe haven't updated their computer systems, that might have a little bit of trouble with this website, as we have excellent security. So if you're having any trouble at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. This is a really great way to shop for your Eminence product. Of course, we have every single product in the day spa, but of course you have the entire catalog here as well. And it's very safe. You don't even have to leave your home. You can place an order online, and trust me, we do get these orders out the same day. So most people have received it the next day, or 2 or 3 or 4, depending on where you live. But I have been told that the service has been very excellent. So I'm very proud about that. Any questions that you have, again, about products, feel free to book a consultation with me online, and we can talk skin all day long. Okay, so I'm just going to jump back over to our promotions and loyalty page. I just built this page and I'm very excited about it because you can come and see what promotions that we have ongoing at the Pemberton Day Spa. So right now, Georgia is booking facials with a complimentary marine flower peptide serum. This is one of Eminence's most potent, most active products within the line, but it also means that it's one of their most expensive products. So this is a really great way to be able to try one of their top products. So if you have the opportunity to have a facial, you will definitely want to get that done this month so that you can take advantage of this travel size marine flower peptide serum. Lots happening with brows. Everybody wants a good brow for a Christmas photo. So we're going to give 20% off for a brow makeover. So whether it's sugar or waxed, or you're using henna or tint to create that definition in your brow and the strength in your brow, that's something that you're going to want to take advantage of this month. And then forever and ongoing, if you book 2 waxing services, we are going to give you 20% off. A lot of people in their service menu have combos. And you know what? We could make 100 million different combos of, you know, brow, lip, and chin, or bikini and leg. So we just decided to keep it simple. Book 2 services and you'll have 20% off as sort of a combo. Moving down the page, I could not be happier to offer a loyalty program as a thank you to everybody who has remained loyal to, you know, purchasing their Eminence with us. And it's just a nice reward for you. So I do love a good sale and I do love good points programs. So why wouldn't I have one for us? So if you spend $50 on products or services, then you're going to receive 50 points. It's that simple. You can come online, check out your points to see how many you have. And of course, to join up, which is important, you can sign up here. All you need is your phone number, and we're going to give you 100 bonus points just for signing up. This page will continue to be developed, but of course, as an example, 500 points, say, will get you a firm, bright, clear, or calm skin kit. And if you're somebody that wants to, build up your points for a larger, better prize, then we're going to do that too. So I'm pretty sure we'll have the Arctic Berry Illuminating Peptide Kit on there, also the Acne Kit, any sort of anti-aging, or even if you just want must-have minis. So there's going to be lots being offered in the loyalty program. So I'm very excited about that. So don't forget to jump on and pop in your phone number. We have gift cards now. It's great. They are very cute, great and suitable for all of the seasons, birthdays, and holidays. So I'm just going to share my screen and show you what they look like. So that's them there. So we have these in the hard plastic at the day spa with cute little envelope and bag, and we can even toss in a few extra samples for you in with the gift card bag. Online, a great feature that we have is you can have any kind of graphic that you want on it. If you were to reach out to us ahead of time and provide us with the artwork or the words, if you want to write a poem, anything that you want to have your gift card look like, we can do that for you. And then you can either print it off and put it on a card, send it away yourself, or you can simply email it to the recipient. So we're very excited about this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this entire video, and I am so thrilled that I'm going to be utilizing this tool so that I can connect with you more. I, of course, want to hear all of the feedback, any questions that you have, and I look forward to receiving your likes and your shares and your comments, and hit the subscribe button so that we can stay in touch. Okay. I hope everybody's well and keeping safe. Bye for now.